So before we get on to the video, ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you guys my results. Now, this is currently the market memo dashboard. We're going to pull up my trade syncer here, which will show you the funded accounts. So you guys could see here, I have about 15 accounts in total. 4 of them being funded accounts, and the rest are eval. So ignore most of this P&L. Literally just multiply this top number by 4, and that's the profit that I made on the day. That's actually real money that I'm actually going to get paid. The rest is evals that I'm passing with Apex right now, which there'll also be a link down in the description if you want to trade with Apex. The thing I like about Apex really is the scalability. So I'm really locking in on these Apex accounts to go for another 40, 50K payout. But I want to go over my notes here on the actual trade itself, so you guys can understand a little bit more why I was looking to take the position, and then we'll get into a little bit of a recap and then the actual live trading video. Because the thing about it is I go live every single morning with my community, and in the beginning of the live, I don't record it, but it's kind of more like the breakdown, what I'm going to be looking for, and then obviously we trade all live together.
Let's see if there's failure of that. Sellers are big selling stuff in here, which is nice, but looks like we're gonna start trading. This big buyer's getting fucked. There we go.
I'm watching it.
Yeah, this big buyer got respected.
I'd like to see an initiation from the sellers.
Yeah.
Some pretty good selling on ES.
Yeah.
Yeah.
52 on back beneath the 52s, because that was a previous high, or the 53s. That would help sellers a lot.
Buyers got absorbed right at the top of this candle
Yeah.
so far.
We got some offers coming into the market now here on NQ.
Yeah, some selling reloading as well. It's looking solid.
Yeah, I might add to this position as well. I'm gonna add 3 more micros here.
A nice sharp reclaim be fucking great.
Yeah. Nice.
Would like to see these.
Oh, pay for data and deep charts. Yeah, we might also need to pay for data. I want to see these buyers, but look at all the bids that are coming in.
Yeah, I can see that. In the 45s, 44s, 67s.
Yeah, I'm gonna start scaling out of this position here. Bro, I'm generally having a better time trading the micros than I am the
minis.
Yeah. Absorption again at this area.
Sellers reloading at 820.
Yeah.
There's some selling here at 86. Kind of dancing at this.
Yeah, they're like going back and forth. Yeah. I still have half my position on, so I'm not.
ES held the
Out
LBM
here.
pretty nice.
Yeah.
Let's see if it can actually get
nice
above
selling.
the high and stay there, because it's like back and forth at these 57s.
On NQ for bookmap, I don't know, to be honest. I haven't opened the bookmap in like a week and a half.
Yeah, I was about to say, I think it's like NQH.
Yeah, something like that. Like H6, something like that. J6. I think J is for gold.
Sellers trying to reload here at 810.
Yeah.
It's filled.
Yeah, this is getting held very well here.
I mean, yeah,
We
it's
see more.
holding so far, but the thing I
Yeah,
don't like is how this selling failed to reclaim beneath the 80s, which is gonna be the value area high. That's the only thing I don't like. But the absorption up here is great, but it's just a riskier trade, in my opinion.
100%. That's why I scaled out a little bit, and I'll add if we start to see the reclaim.
See more selling starting to step in here.
Yeah, we're seeing the selling. They're starting to get aggressive here, but
Where's the POC?
this is where they need to start breaking down.
It's sitting right here.
It's at the 24/7.
See if we can get a reversion. Of
Oh,
the
on the POC on the week, I'm sorry, it's 24/700.
I think it's the same on the daily.
No, it's at 24/600.
24,660
Yeah.
ish. Well, I have my week sitting at 24,660. The daily is sitting at. What am I doing?
Let me double check this, but I think
Sitting at
from
the
what
same
this
level.
profile, if you look at my let me pull up my screen here.
Yeah, I'm going break.
Yeah, yes,
I'm
it's
still
moving
in
down
this
pretty quick
position.
here.
I'm still in this position here. Roll, if you look at the
What was your entry?
cash flow, 90.
90 miles of the higher.
If you see like on the first target's gonna be the 680s. If you look at the cash profile, it's clear as day that this is like a mean reversion setup because we couldn't create value higher. Look where we got stuck up there. We couldn't create value higher. You can't step out of that valued high.
The thing is too, if you look at this as well, if we look at a daily profile, we pushed right into that high volume node from the Asia where we sold off from, along with we're trading outside or we're trading at the extreme range of the value area. So it was a solid setup.
Yeah.
I'm gonna trail stops to 760.
Nice. This is looking nice.
We're gonna target like
I'm trading.
a complete rotation.
I mean, I'm thinking back down to the low day eventually, but just
ES is about to touch the other side of value. We're at like
Already?
the 43s right now.
already.
Yeah, it's already.
What the fuck?
ES is all the way to the other high volume node on the cash profile.
wow.
Oh, so ES is falling.
But there's a lot of
Yeah.
selling. If it can get through the value area low, we got the pre-market pop up at like 44, I think. What is this? Why is my freaking crosshair off? What is that? 44 and a half. Yeah, ES is below 44 and a half with a lot of selling.
So
So
on
it
the
might
other
keep
side
going.
of value on ES.
It's moving.
ES is starting to reclaim. What is this? The value area high on the daily profile. And what I've seen, I did a back test and I ran it through AI as well. Whenever there's a sharp reclaim with a lot of volume, there's like an 80% probability to at least revisit the POC. Which we're
I'm already at my
POC
first
for
target.
660.
Yeah, I'm already at my first target at the 90s, 80s area, which is where I have a. See, we could.
I'm floating like 5R on this right now.
Yes, I added too after we started seeing the dump.
Nah, I didn't add.
After that big seller, yeah, I added 5 micros, so I'm in 8 micros now. I'm putting my size on the table today.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna trail to the 18s. So here
I'm gonna trail to that big buyer at the 720s.
I trail to above this seller right here.
Yeah, ES is
we can see the sellers
starting
aggressive here again.
buy and hold at VWAP. There's a little bit of
the
buying
sellers, I
showing
think,
up
can
on
push this
VWAP.
down to the other side of value, just like they did on. Yes.
We gotta push through this selling right here.
This is great.
Look for a move to the
You
opposite
gotta-
end of value.
That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking out here, bro. Fuck.
Yeah, we gotta reclaim beneath the 660s, the POC.
Yeah, that'd be the 600. Yeah, the POC and the 600s, which is the low of the cash.
There's a little bit of
What
buying
time is
still
it?
in here right at VWAP.
Yo, you know what I added? A countdown timer to this shit, cause fuck, bro. Like to the fucking candles, cause fuck, bro.
Wait, hold on. Where's my?
ES is trying to pop a little bit. There's a negative.
Yeah, we're starting to
43 and
trade
a
under
half.
the value high
IQ's popping
here.
a little bit here too.
We're
Yes, it's got
reclaiming
to hold these
the value
43s
low.
if it
Yeah.
wants to stay under.
I would like to see, well, ideally,
Pretty good buying.
Yeah, pretty good buying here, but if it gets held under
Sinker
the
holds
value's
up.
low, we're good.
this seller needs to hold
Get
here.
failed
You
pop.
can see the buyer just
Yeah.
got absorbed here, solid. But we have to push through these 660s. Solid absorption there.
Kelsey, on the top left, you see the next to the X, there's a little candlestick like icon. All the way at the bottom on top of price settings is this countdown timer.
You know, if we end up catching this move and it's a full reversion into the value area low, that's like 11.3 R for me. Oh, there's some large selling that just, well, how many contracts? That's 120 contracts executed on the bid there. I'm going to throw my stops down even lower. I'm going to do stops at 84.5 now. All right, this seller's getting paid here. I'm going to throw my stops even lower now. I'm going to throw my stops at 61.25 as we're starting to approach that value area low.
Yeah, ES is beneath VWAP, anchored VWAP.
I had a
I have
bigger
it
stop when you roll,
ETH.
but my stops were respected very well. I skilled out a bit.
I got it in maybe like 3 minutes after you. I got it at 800.25. My stop at 820 was 82.
Oh yeah, you got in a little bit higher, yeah. Not too.
Yeah, after we saw those contracts at 810 get filled for, I think it was 100 contracts that got filled on the ass there. That's when I hopped in. You can actually see it up here. That after this buyer got absorbed for 100 contracts.
Yeah, I'm trailing now to the 690s.
Oh, I just got out. I just got trolled out of the position there. Fucking solid, bro. 7R on that first move. Holy W.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if we can start holding here and continue back down to the spot to the POC.
Yeah, I wanted to be aggressive with my trade management there. It's the first trade of the day.